In this video, we talk about the strategy that works in both the Forex market, crypto and the US stock market. And it is extremely simple and practical, and it has a high win rate, and it is profitable. This strategy alone is responsive and profitable, and if combined with other strategies, its efficiency will increase dramatically. I definitely emphasize that with any strategy you work on, take capital management seriously and act on it. Well, let's go to the strategy. We need two indicators, one is EMA and the other is MACD. Select this from the indicators section. We go to the EMA settings and set its interval to 100. Well, with this indicator, we can understand the trend. Wherever the price of this indicator is high, it is an uptrend, and wherever it is low, it is a downward trend. We do not deal with areas of market suffering and EMA entanglement and price. Now we go to the MACD. This indicator consists of the sucker line, which is very sensitive to price changes and moves fast. Signal line, which moves slowly and is not very sensitive. Histogram, which shows the type of cross and the depth and distance between the suction and signal lines. Cross these two lines are important to us. For example, when the sucker line crosses the signal line upwards, the histogram turns green, and the greater the difference between the two lines, the greater the depth and the stronger the histogram, which indicates a strong cross. As a result of this strong cross, the momentum price goes up and it moves with more power. First we select the time frame. For example, I chose a clock. You can select any time frame, but it is better to be above half an hour. Then, with the help of EMA 100, we identify the trend that is ascending or descending and suffering. And then we wait for the cross lines to signal to us and we enter. For example, in this situation, the price is below EMA 100 and is a downward trend. We are looking for a downward cross of the signal line by the sucker line. At this point a cross is descending and we are getting ready for the short position. Note that the profit margin is at least 1.5 times the loss limit. Again, in another situation, a cross has occurred again and we are ready for the same situation as before. In this area, the price is below EMA 100 and is down, and again there is a down cross and we take a short position. We act according to the same conditions as before and open the short position by observing the management of capital and loss limit. We do not enter the areas of suffering and entanglement. Here we have an uptrend that is above the EMA 100 price, and we are looking for uptrends that you see here, so we opened a long position. Note that the profit margin is at least 1.5 times the loss limit. As you can see, this strategy is extremely effective and simple and practical. I hope you practice this strategy carefully and apply it to avoid market profits. Good luck, hoping for more profits.